Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Personalize option is not working in your Windows 10. So friends, if you are using Windows 10 PC or laptop, and as we know, when we right click on anyway on desktop, so here is the option Personalize. If this option is not working, so to resolve this problem and issue, just you need to click on start and type CMD. Now right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. It will ask permission, so click on yes. Now you need to type this command. I will give in description. So copy and paste here. So to paste this command, right click on this top bar. Now edit and paste. Now press enter. Now wait for a while. This processor will take about 30-40 minutes. So when this processor will be complete, restart your PC. Hopefully after restart you will see this error and problem is resolved. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video work for you or not.